Okay, you live in Arlington Heights and you click on this page so you want to learn a little bit more about your water. Well, I'm Drew. I'm here to serve you. So our passion is to make your water more healthy for your home and your family. So we're going to talk about the family right now and your health. You're made of you're just one gigantic filter and you're made of water, right? You're 70, your children are 80% water, your brain is 90% water. So when we look at that, we say to ourselves, geez, this body, which is a filter, is absorbing everything that it takes in. If you drink a glass of water, in 4 minutes, you're that glass of water. If you eat a banana, in 4 hours, you're that banana. So if you really think about it, would you really want any contaminants in that drinking water? I mean, you have organs, you have a stomach, an esophagus, you have lower and upper intestine, you got a kidney, a liver, you have pancreas. I mean, it goes on and on and on, right? So that body is designed to absorb what you take in. So this video is to explain to you in Arlington Heights what you've got in your water and what does it do for the body. So according to the federal government, your water's safe. There's small amounts of carcinogens in there, but they say based on their 1972 information that that's okay for you and your family. Well, I've learned as well, and I'd like to share this with you, that there's a group called the Environmental Working Group, and they produced this report, and they have scientists and doctors, and in fact, they took information from California, which has stricter standards, and they said, what should the levels of carcinogens be in our water? And how do the carcinogens get in? Well, the number one culprit of how they get in the water is that we add chlorine to the water. Now, chlorine, if you read the side of the bottle, what does it say? Toxic, don't drink, fatal. Yet in small doses, they say that's okay. So it does make me pause and go, is that really sure? Small amounts that my body takes in when it's nothing but a filter absorbing everything, that's okay. Well, we have some of the highest rates of cancer in the world, and yet we have water with carcinogens in it. So what's in our water in Arlington Heights? Well, to begin with, from the Environmental Working Group, you have bromodichloromethylene, you have chloroform, you have both of which cause cancer. That's from the byproduct of chlorine. Naturally occurring in the Earth's surface is radium-228 and 226. And so that gets into our water supply. That's why you have 9 times the limit there. Dibromoacidic acid, dibromochloromethylene, dichloroacidic acid. By the way, it took me a long time to be able to pronounce these words, so I hope you like that. Haloacidic acids, HAAA9, and trihalomethylenes, and of course, trichloroacidic acid. All of these cause cancer. Now, small doses that government says is okay, sort of, if you feel like none is good for you and your family, then a great drinking water system that's NSF 58. That's what we're looking for, NSF 58, and a system that's BPA free. So what I like about the Eco Water product that's under the sink here is that it is NSF certified 58 and it's BPA free. You can see you get a different faucet at the kitchen sink. Yes, we have to drill a hole through the countertop, but it's a wonderful, wonderful product. That's where you'll get all your water for boiling spaghetti or drinking water, or you mix it for your cocktails, I don't know. But when it comes to washing your hands, you're gonna use your regular faucet, but you do need to get this extra faucet at the kitchen sink. So it's a very simple process, just so you know. The reverse osmosis does take everything out of the water. However, we add minerals back to the water, so it makes it healthy again. So that's the process that we sort of look at when we want to serve you in Arlington Heights. So if you have any further questions about Arlington Heights water, give us a call at 847-382-7800. I'm Drew, and we're here to serve you.